Hey kids, this is a social lesson about how to meet someone new. We're going to learn this skill with our friends Fireboy, Supergirl, Wonder Woman, and Ice Boy.
Meeting someone new can be very hard. There's a lot of things we have to think about when we meet someone new. Here we have Fireboy and Iceman, and they're going to show us what we should do when we introduce ourselves to someone new. When we get close to someone new, like Fireboy and Iceman, we have to do a couple of things. We should look at each other's eyes. We should also reach out our hand to shake hands with each other. Also, we should say, "Hi, nice to meet you. My name is," and wait for the other person to respond. Okay, students, here's all of our steps written out. We're going to go over them one more time. Step number 1, look at their eyes. It's okay to also look at their face, their nose, or their mouth. But in general, we want to make sure that we're looking at their face and eyes. Number 2, extend our hand to shake their hand. We put our hand out and wait for them to put theirs out to shake. This is how adults and students greet new people. Step 3, say hi, nice to meet you. My name is blank. What's yours? Alright, students, let's see how Supergirl and Wonder Woman practice our steps. First, we have to look at someone in the eye. As Supergirl gets closer to Wonder Woman, she makes sure to look at Wonder Woman's eyes. Wonder Woman does the same thing and looks back at Supergirl's eyes. Step 2, we have to reach out our hand to shake hands. Wonder Woman puts out her hand and Supergirl does the same thing so that they can shake hands. Next, Supergirl says, "Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Supergirl. What's yours?" Wonder Woman responds with, "Hi, Supergirl. My name is Wonder Woman. Nice to meet you too." By following those simple steps, you can be just like Fireboy, Wonder Woman, Supergirl, and Ice Boy. And you will surely have tons of friends at school, at home, and in your community.